Hi everyone, this is Sherry, and today I'm going to share with you a free design tool named Canva. Canva is available for mobile and desktop devices and offers both a free and paid versions. However, I've only used the free version because I'm cheap. Actually, I can't imagine needing the paid version because the free version has so much to offer. So let's get started. Okay, so this is your sign up page for Canva. You can sign up as an educator, a small business person, a large company, nonprofit or charity, or even a personal account. However, I already have an account and I just linked it through my Google. So we'll go up to log in and I'm going to log in with Google. And now I'm on my home page. Your home page is where all of your previously created designs live. My favorite thing is probably that it automatically saves your work. I'm a Google girl, so I'm a little spoiled. Sometimes I forget to save things, so this little feature saves me a lot of unnecessary angst. The top of the screen contains several design examples to help get those creative juices flowing. Unfortunately for me, I can get overwhelmed by so many choices, so I typically start with a blank canvas, but I'll talk more about that in a minute or so. So your creations can be found at the bottom half of the screen. As you can see, I have a few designs here, a couple of infographics, a postcard, certificates, and even a magazine layout. The navigation bar on the side of the screen allows you to easily move from place to place. For now, we're going to skip the big Create a Design button, and I'm going to share what the tabs do. The Share Your Designs tab allows you to share your designs with others to get opinions, advice, and even help. Here my friend Meredith sent me something to ask me to take a look for. She didn't have to download it or email it or even print it out. Imagine having your students work on a project and you can just go in to see their progress without jumping through a million hoops. You can also create a team of up to 50 members with your free account. I imagine this would be a great tool for content area teams. Of course, Canva for Work is a paid option, and I haven't really played around with this much. Your brand tab, it's really for the paid Canvas option as well. I tried to play around with this, but I don't want to pay for an account at this time. So we won't go over this one much more. And the Find Templates tab is great. It's a great option when you know exactly what kind of project you want to create, such as a CD cover or a worksheet, a menu, a newsletter, media kit. Continuing down the tabs, with your free account, you can get 2 folders for organizing your content. By clicking the school, we can see my school content. Don't worry though, because my school content is still able to be previewed under all of your designs tab. The last tab is the trash tab. Any creation you delete goes into your trash can. You can retrieve it for up to 30 days, and after that it's gone. Or you can choose to delete it forever prior to the 30 days just by clicking Delete Forever. Now we're ready to create our first design together. Canva is intuitive and it gives you recommendations based on the things you've made in the past. Let's see. Let's create something simple to start with. Let's make a back to school postcard. So I'm going to click on postcard. After I click on my project type, you get a blank canvas and a lot on your screen. Again, on the left, you find your navigation bar for your content. Search will be used for finding images to use in your design, so we'll use that in a minute. The Layouts tab is full of many different ideas. This is great if you need some inspiration. So let's see, we're making a back to school postcard. So I'm going to look through and see if I find anything that I like to use for this. Maybe this one. Let's try this one. After looking through all of the different options, I've decided I don't really want to use one of these. I would rather have a blank canvas. So to get a blank canvas after viewing through the templates and choosing one, all I need to do is scroll down, click Add a New Page, and then go back up and delete the first page. I don't want that, and here I am, ready with my own blank canvas. Our next tab is where all of the fun elements are found. As you can see, there are a lot of options here. So you need to get in and play around as soon as this tutorial is over. I think that this is a great time to remind you that Canvas auto-saves, which is great because you can focus on creating and not worry about losing your things. Also, if you do something, you can easily undo it by pressing the undo button. Let's try that. I'll put an image, and oh, that doesn't look much like back to school. I'm just going to undo it. Also, this is my chance to use the search bar. I'm going to type in school, since we're doing a back to school postcard, and see if I can find any images that I like. Kind of like this paper. I'm going to move the paper over to the side, maybe like that. I like that. And I'm going to put a ruler on it. Let's see. How about some pencils? Well, I don't think I like the ruler, so very simply, I can't just undo it, but I can go over to the right-hand side and push the delete button, and it will get rid of the unwanted content. Next, I need to add text to my postcard. Again, Canvas offers many layouts, but you can also choose to add your own. I'm going to try to find something that has to do with a party. Here we go. I'm going to add it on and resize it to fit my needs. Now that I have the text the way that I want it, I'm going to choose my background. Typically, I choose my background first, but that's my personal preference. You can choose the recommended colors, or you can add a color from the color wheel, or a color code if you have that. You can also choose from the many patterns that are available, which also happen to be customizable. Here's my background. So let's see, you have an image that you want to use of your school. No problem. All you need to do is upload it. The Upload tab allows you to upload your own images. You can even connect to Facebook to get images if you want to. To upload the image from your computer, you just simply click the Upload Your Images and choose the image that you want. The image I have chosen for this tutorial I found in Google Images Safe Search, which means it's safe for reuse. There are also features that you can use on images such as filter, crop, flip, etc. But those are something I would use in an advanced tutorial. And I'm trying to keep this pretty simple. So I'm going to move it over for just a second. I'm going to delete my picture. I'm going to move all of my text over, and my paper over, and my picture over. And there I have what I think I like. When you're finished with your product, you have several options for how you can use it. By sharing, you can email it, you can add it to your social media, get a link or an embed code. You can also download it to your computer as a PDF or a JPEG or PNG file. Canva offers prints. If you would like to order your invitation or postcards, they charge you and send it to you if that's your thing. You can also make your design public so that others can see it when they visit your page, which I typically do. For our product, I think we need to download the image so that we can share it to our school website. So I'm going to download my image. Takes a few seconds. Thank you for being patient with me. I'm going to name it, save it, and there I go. All right, folks, that's it for our Canvas tutorial. Now I challenge you to use Canvas, not only for student materials, but with your students. Good luck!